out as long as wala kang natatapakan. Dahil lahat naman tayo may insecurities and we are all desperate to conceal and include them. Because some people are confident wearing their makeup and some people prefer their natural look. Kanya-kanyang preferences lang yan, no need to pull others down and panglait. Because you know what's fake, guys? It isn't on the faces of the people na nilalait nyo because we are all authentic. What's fake is the two-faced people na walang ibang ginawa kundi manghima ng iba at manglait. So let's not bring each other's down, instead let's fix each other's crown. So ano pa ba? I think nasabi ko nang gusto kong sabihin and I don't know if nag-make sense pa ba ako. So let's get this makeup done. And for the second product that I will be using, this is the Sunkiss Organic Clay Blush. So I will be using this on my lips, on my cheeks, and on my eyes. As an eyeshadow. So I bought this online for only 100 pesos. And for the cheeks, because I am naturally pale and I need to put something on my and for the lips. For the third product, I will be using the eyeshadow. As you can see, nabubura na siya and hindi ko alam kung anong brand ito kasi binigay lang siya sa akin. So I really like nude colors and the shades of brown because it really goes well with my skin. So a little on my nose, just to emphasize. And the fourth product that I will be using is an eyebrow pencil because as you can see, kamipis ko ng kilay ko. And it is this one. Makapit pa siya. And the last but not the least product, it is the Johnson's Baby Powder. Pasta. So I'm done. See you later. Hey everyone, if you've reached this video, congratulations because it's now my turn to finally share to you guys my everyday makeup routine. But before I start, I'd just like to have a quick conversation with you guys, just like my ate. I'm really not that professional when it comes to makeup. In fact, I can only do everyday makeup and also just simple makeup. But when I have an important parties to go to and also important events, that's when I'm going to ask for help from my makeup artist Trisha. Hello if you're watching. And also to my ate. She's an amazing when it comes to doing my glam makeup on. So excuse me guys for my bare face makeup, but I know that we're all using both. Lahat tayo ngayon, mostly lahat tayo ngayon is team bahay. And with that, we usually just go out to have a quick hangout with our friends or to buy necessary food and just sleep, go to work. And with that, yung mga gamit ko, mga makeup ko, some are pa-expired na. But don't worry, what I will be using right now, hindi ito expired. So without further ado, let's start our everyday makeup routine. Before I put anything on, I always make sure to wash my face with a soap. The one I've been using right now is the Vichy. If you're familiar with it, I just started actually using their products this year, and it actually worked really well on me. That I cleanse my face with the Garnier, the color pink one, and use this spray facial aloe vera from Miniso. I don't know how. Ayan. I'm just going to spray it like 4 times. Let's pat it right here. makeup side on or the natural looking side on, I'll be picking the makeup side on. It's because when you reach your 20s, that's the time you're going to prepare for adulthood and you'll be dealing with a lot of people. So if you're not comfortable with your skin, you can hide your skin imperfections, your flaws, your pimples. Or you're actually not doing it for the sake of the others, but you're doing it for yourself. And if it makes you happy, if it makes you confident, then just go for it. Life is too short to worry about what others think about you. Start doing you for you. So now I'll be using the MAC Poreless Maybelline Fit Me on the shade 112 Natural Ivory. Hindi ako marunong mag-focus, guys. I'll just stay in. Guys, on my everyday makeup, I usually go on for the dewy look kasi hindi ako bagay sa matte finish unless it's an important event. If you think it's actually light on my skin, it's because yung skin ko nag-o-oxidize ito after cooking. Pero magbe-blend ko siya after a few minutes. The Maybelline New York by the shade of 15 Fair. Ito hindi siya masyadong light kesa doon sa foundation ko. I'll be putting it under my eyebrows. Actually, if I have work, I always start my makeup sa kilay. Kasi I'm always on rush, but if it's an everyday look, I always start with my face, with putting foundation on. The next one is the Nichido in the shade Amber. It's a pressed powder, just to set everything up on my face. By the way guys, lahat ng mga products ko are all affordable. Makikita nyo na ito sa drugstore and Watsons. It's because my skin is really not that sensitive. You know yung mga sachets sa Watsons? Those are actually my favorite spot kasi I always love to try everything new. Next is for my kilay. This is from Miso and I'm just going to start by brushing it off. Way back on my college years, I was actually known for having a funny kilay. It's because yung kilay ko, always ko pina-close dito. Tapos masyado tong dark. Yung feeling ka na din. Tapos pinapangit na version. Yeah. My friends and my prof are actually laughing about that. And I'll be using this matte eyeshadow for my nose para tumangos natin. And the Nichido in the shade Tomato for my blush. Love to put it on my nose. You can actually see it also on my photos. Parang mukha tayong binubog. And also on my eyes. Just to have that glow effect. And for my lips, it's this one. Matagal ko na itong ginagamit. And after that, I will be using the MAC. This is in the shade it is in the shade of Riveting Rose. And I'm just going to put it on the middle of my lips. Para to have that Korean look, Korean glowy look. Alright, there you have it guys. I'm finally done with